All right, hello world. It's Merry Christmas in the crypto world. It's all red, yeah. And I just invested another, you know, by 20,000. It's red. What do you do when the market's red? You buy, right? You buy the assets. You have to save your money and wait for this time. And when this time come, you have some money to buy crypto. Right? It's all red. What's going on. This is actually normal. Some sharks are taking profit from the gain in the price of cryptocurrency. So it's actually Bhutan was buying like 40 million US dollars. So which is actually good. This is temporary because they're taking their profit, but eventually uh what is going on is right now, nation state are um, started investing in crypto. They started um, having a crypto reserve, a Bitcoin reserve. So if Bhutan sold that much money, that's just an opportunity for some other country to buy that much. So the market, I think, the market's going to go up in the next week. That's my various forecast. And if it's your first time to see market like this, go ahead and buy some popcorn and watch TV. It's going to go up. Um, I think I don't know. Do your research. Some people are predicting a crash in the system. Although sometimes I feel that because there's just so many coins popping out left and right, and then there's just so many crypto coins. But right now, I don't think it's going to be a problem right now. This is just regular happening in the market. When the price go up, people take the take the revenue from the capital gain from the rise of the price, of course. And when the sharks play that, like the big player, which we call shark, the price tends to go down because there's an oversupply of the cryptocurrency. But eventually, as I said, the opportunity is big for crypto right now because nation states are already keeping reserve of Bitcoin, and we only know there's just 61 million of them. So if everyone takes every country takes 5 million or things like that, it's just how crazy the price of Bitcoin is going to be, right? So yeah, just enjoy the day, buy the crypto if you have some money. You should reserve some money, like for time when time comes like this. You should have reserve money to buy cryptocurrency. um and I don't think we need to worry about this. It's going up anyway. um let's see, BTC, how are you? Bitcoin, yeah, everything is, it's temporary. See, it's going back. So go down here and bro, right, and it's going back here, right. It looks like it will be going down, but it's not. It will be going up. Look at that, right? It's trending up for the month, for 3 months, and yeah, it will continue to rise. And the benefit of crypto is that you can transmit money. If you convert your money into BCH, that's the Bitcoin Cash, you can send it everywhere for the cost of 30 pesos. So why would you? phase out those kind of environment. And it's just like a bank, you put money in the bank, you earn interest, and then if you withdraw that, then like what the Bhutan did, it will start consuming that money, and eventually they lose money, and then they lose position. Some other country will buy the position they lost. So in Bitcoin, and the price will go up. And there are more and more countries that are doing Bitcoin reserve. So I don't think there's going to be a crisis coming anytime soon. So don't worry about it. Buy popcorn and watch the graph and study and do your research. And yeah, if you have money, don't invest everything in at once. You have to reserve like 30% of your money, and then you have to be patient, wait for the right time, and when the right time come, you should be able to grab the opportunity like this. The price go down, so we buy. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I haven't sleep yet. I'm working night shift, so thank you for watching. Yeah, it's like Christmas in the it's all red, right? It look like Christmas tree. So what do we buy? I'd buy Genon is suggested it went down to 30%. And let's see. Oh, Genon, I don't know those things. Kati, I usually see that in the um, dashboard. Hmm. Sandog, right? Mudeng, that's another good crypto to buy. What else? Yeah, don't worry about it. Just buy some popcorn and buy some crypto and enjoy the rest of the day. We will see you next week. It's all green. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, do your research. Don't believe me. Don't trust me. Make sure you study. The more you study, uh, the more money there will be for you. And don't forget to click on my referral program. Thank you for watching.